We live. Alright, hold on. Bro, where the hell's my chat? My YouTube chat not popping up. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I forgot. So, we're continuing off this. I have other... Is it this one? I have other stuff done here. Or other ideas. So let me close these tabs. And let me show you here. So I had other ideas here. And bro, why are my frames dropping? Hello? I'm not doing anything crazy. Shit. Username's blocked. That's done actually. Verlicify, dude. This I'm gonna do next year. Oh, I shaved yesterday. Cleaned it up a bit. Looks better, I think. This I wanna do, but I need to think about how I want to do it. Favorites. Organize and move around. This will be actually something we could do, but this requires thought. Move into playlist, we could do that. Now wait a second, we did have a... Let's see if I can find it. Is it on this? My wrist is so stupid to call it for Lucifer. Alright, yeah, I found it. Alright, so I'm gonna add this to this. Because I had this here. So let me show. I had this here. So I'm gonna say Sunday 9/18/22. We did this. And then we're definitely adding this to mine. So I can just Filter for lowest to highest on stats page. I kind of want to do that. This, this is done actually. Ad situation, that's done. Alright. Do 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 do. Favorites pop-up UI. This definitely still needs to work. Let's see. That's password reset counting. That doesn't even matter. Merge playlists together. That will honestly be interesting, but I have an idea for this. I'm gonna wait until next year because I have an idea for it, but I'm gonna need a whole week to work on it. So depending on my other work, like my real job, depending on that, I might ask for a week off just so I can work on this. Because there's so much I want to do, but won't be able to do yet. And I also want to wait till next year, because then, within that week, I could also get the graph stuff done. Because I could get the graph stuff done in like 2 days. So, I think it'll be interesting. So, this will be interesting to do. And then this I'll probably do off stream. But this I have an idea for. Let's get to work. So, I want to do something like this, but not exactly. So, I am thinking of doing something like this, in which we create tabs, and we create it for the years, and I think, if I plan this out correctly, oh, we're on the stats page, okay. So, we have the ads there. So, if I do another block here, and I say div ID equals year stats, and we're gonna container. So we're gonna have this, and what I'm going to do here is we gotta go to the CSS, and we're gonna need a width 100%, height 500 pixels. This is just for test. Background color white, display block. Gen bars. Oh, and then I want to put. I think I knew what this was. Because this doesn't have a margin bottom. So I put margin bottom 100 pixels. There we go. And then if we say 100%, the thing is we gotta put, I think, these here will fit on it. There we go. That looks good, I think. In my opinion. So like that. And we can honestly, I think, get rid of the coming soon in the footer. But I think I could take this footer out here. Because I'm not using the secondary footer at all. And I don't believe I need to. And that means I could rename this footer. Now, I'm gonna basically be taking this same idea here, the same concept here, and, you know, I don't care, because it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So, I need to close some stuff. Unless there's a bootstrap way. If there's a bootstrap way, we should use that. Actually interesting. This might be... Now, will these be clickable? How does this work? YouTube, a copyright claim. Getting shit done, guns will bust feature. But they said this is not a copyright strike. So the fact that they say it's not a copyright strike is fine with me. Okay, so the issue with this is one then. Wrong flow, but never took a loss. When too young, the full switch you on. Behind the ass Pidgeot. You could Toka kiss the Glock. You could Toka kiss the Glock. Alright. Now, regardless of what that is, what we need to then do is utilize our own PHP here. So what we're gonna do here is this. Not in this. And here. We're gonna say decades. And then we're gonna say 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, 2000s. Let's do this. 1950, 1960, 1970, 1980, 90, 2020, probably 2000, 2010, 2020, and then 2022. Let's say 2030, because it at that point doesn't matter. And what we're gonna do here is for x equals 0, x less than count of decades, x plus equal 1, and then what we want to then do is we're going to do this here, if x equals 0, echo active, right? Oh wait, no. See, this is why I hate this. So what I'm gonna do is take this, do the echo, oh no. If x equals 0, and then what we then do is say else, and then we do just do active, that's fine with that, and then target home should be year underscore and then area controls. So then what we want to then do is, I don't know really if this has to be the same as this. I don't know if it has to be the same. gonna just make it the same. So then what we want to then do here on our items here, we take this out. And then what we want to then do is basically we want to then do this. We're gonna do we're gonna do the same thing here.
Niggas really think they can do what we do. But they ain't put up the shots that we put up.
We need to do this if statement here.
Ever since tuition, money been tradition. We can't let you live if you the opposition. We heard niggas think it's sweet, so we been on a mission. Fuck with the gang, you get a cataclysm. I've been moving with ghosts way before
Do this in there.
paying his tab, he got a bad addiction. We gon' send him to God, we heard his daddy miss him. Naruto a nigga run up. We got shooters on your ass in case
Take this out.
wanna see the shit that's coming out of the drum. When it's about the money, there is no
And then what we are going to do, we're gonna add an on-click event, obviously. But what we need to do, I don't know.
lifesavers, that's 100 rounds. We gon' see if niggas talking crazy when I come around.
Okay,
Bring me to the spot where he laying at. Laying flat. Red dot where I'm aiming at. Spray the cat. Line of shots has got a gauge attached. Said your life is for the taking and we claiming that. Bitch, you can get popped like a metal foe. You can
I think we could do
like
this.
a trident. Doc said that you would make it, but he lying. Mama was just fine and now she crying. She gotta hold your body in her hand. I just got a new shop, call it Promise Neverland. And I
Okay, and then here,
shotty finna blast because when I roll up, everybody get tagged.
what we are going to then do is,
Nobody finna stop us. When you see us on the
then what we are going to do, actually,
all these niggas want a cat, make 'em lock up. Niggas scared, see the
is
y'all the same fuck niggas I do not trust. Niggas get off the internet and they not
this here.
That's why they wanted murder music and they got bring me to the spot where he laying at, laying flat. Red dot where I'm aiming at, spray the cat. Line of shots has got a gauge attached. Send your
And what we want to then do is on the tab name, we want to do through like this. So then I think then I could get rid of that. So let's take a look at this. Sweet Coon 6. We could take that. No. A non-well-formed 1949, 298. Oh wait, don't I have to do +1 on here? What is... but it might not have it if it doesn't exist. So I think what we're gonna have to then do is we're gonna have to add 2030, but then I don't know. We're gonna have an exception on the last one, which is I don't know how it's gonna work. Yeah. So I'm gonna do -1. If I do -1, then it might not capture the last one. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's good. Now, what we want to then do is we want to basically do what we did here. Like a mola lola backwards. Alright, so I want to do this, and then I want to say... Oh, we're going to convert this all to a different language. I'm going to do that offline. I don't know if that's probably not going to be today, though. Let me... I don't think I have anything homework-wise to do. Yeah, I don't have anything homework-wise to do today. I'm gonna do my homework stuff tomorrow. Okay, oh yeah, in the code. Because the languages thing takes a while to go through. And, the TOS and all, so I need to... Albums by the year. By the year. Alright. So now that we have this, we need to loop this through once more over. I believe because we essentially want to do this inside of here, which I know is going to be annoying. know what I should do? I should do this. Instead of doing it twice. Hold on. I should have just done. That way. This way, I can just do this. Pick up the moo milk right to the fifth. Before I paste anything else though. And then this, we're gonna do, since it's based off of this, what we need to do here, it's gonna be in sets of 10. So the way this works, do 10. And what we want to then do here we're gonna change ID year we can change it to, well, this should be decade. This should be year. Alright, and then this is gonna be year. And year is going to have the ID of page tab, and the space is saying you know what it should be? Hold on, not +1, plus X. Like that. So then that down. Alright, let's see what this looks like now. A lot of it's just loops, but I think it's gonna look good. I think. Oh yeah. 328. Oh yeah, that's gotta be by 9. And then because this isn't a... Oh wait, I fucked up here.
You ain't dead yet, playing dead your best bet. Am I the best? Yes, pistol straight from Red Dead. I'm the bar you gotta bench press. Heavy ass nigga, you gon' end up on your deathbed.
Alright, I think I fixed it. And then I want to shift this over. How come? Oh wait, I know why. It should work now. Oh wait, it doesn't remove. Alright, I think I know what to do now. Oh, wait a second, I know why in the code. Because we have more than one. We have more than one. So it's clearing. We're gonna have to change the. Fuck, I already have an active 2 in here. Active year tab. Is this what you wanted? And then what we need to then do is oh, because it loads all at once. Hold on. My stream, okay? It doesn't have the. Why isn't it? just now. Okay. So, so it's really this that needs to be changed. Alright, so why is it... Okay, I don't know why it's that page. Because... Oh, wait a second. Why is... Oh my god. It doesn't do the... Okay, and then... Remove selected years not defined. How? Oh wait, I don't know why. Because we have its own. We have its own JS file. Make it how do. Straight to the point. Mega Hound Doomshead. Alright, let's see where Discord opens up. Which monitor it opens up. I thought I took that out of the footer. They're coming soon. Because we should be adding here also this one's not HTTPS, but I gotta fix this. Alright, let's refresh this. Frame skipped, all because I opened up Discord. That's crazy. Soon as I opened up Discord, holy shit. Fucking stream couldn't handle it. Remove selected year is not defined. You know what's crazy? I gotta close Discord again. This Discord legit just made the stream fucking die. Task manager's not responding. Why does it say it's not defined? Yeah. All I want is my respect. Music randomized. Fine, I'll just move the function to the same page. I don't know why it, like, the pinned artist works, right? Pinned artist is not defined. What the fuck is that? Hello? It says it's not a. It says it's not a function or it's not defined. I don't know. So when I click on this, now that wants to work. Okay. Alright, I don't know where my... Yeah, I would just throw this here. I don't know, it's not working on the other page. I don't know. Remove selected years. That? Oh. To make a function correctly? I'm so confused on what... Why is this? Oh. It's because of this. There we go. Oh, it even remembers where you left it off. That's cool. Alright. So now what we need to do here, when we click on this, we need to load album years, and then what we're gonna do here, decades X, like that. And then what we need to do here, because see, this is the, oh wait, I thought I shared a code. Since it remembers this when we click on it, I think what we need to actually change it to is this one having it. So what we need to take out is active. We set it to this here. So I think I need to change. I need to change. We just do this. And then in our stats page, we need to change this. Which then I think now I can move this over. Did this. And then what we need to do here we're gonna do this, and then what we're gonna do here then is this. And does this? Yeah, so if we get the year, which I think that's what we're going to be passing through, right? Yeah, we're going to get the year. And so what we need to then do is do believe like that. This is the only way I'm thinking of how it can be done. Because the refresh will not work that well. As far as I am concerned. So yeah, so if I do... Oh, I know. Alright, hold on. I forgot. I had to change. So now, basically you have to just reprogram the active and inactive classes. The monitor's crooked. Okay, yeah. So now if I do this, go to here and then here. No, I thought it... Oh, it still has active on it. Okay. Does that mean this also has active? Yeah, it does have active on it, so I think what we need to then do is just remove all of active. There we go. There we go. This is pretty well done, I think. I think the colors could be updated a bit in design, but for now, let's just keep it as it is. For the sake of information, though, we are going to need database should keep the year, the album year, right? But some albums are gonna probably be needing. Year. One thing I want to do, look, year, but I want to do month also. Month and day. But if I do month and day, it's too much, I feel like. So it's possible. It's just not feasible. But it's possible. Because there's only about 4,500 albums in here. But the issue now, I'm gonna have to change my other script. On artist page, we do this. We can do select distinct album from songs. I think that will work. Let's see, I don't know why I can't click this. Yeah, 4,200. Which, again, this is not... Hold on. I want to get the actual... We're gonna... Hold on. I'm gonna create a new table.
Doing nothing, always ask for something. I was always doing something, never asked for nothing. They know the champ is on me, he gon' get the cannon dumping. These pussy niggas see me coming, hit the panic button. You niggas got no type of heart, I got these bastards running. My man's just trying to make some money, front him half an onion. Me handle something. People think it's what a man becoming. Time to give him nothing for cheap. Niggas looking for a come up, getting nothing from me. Niggas don't know who they are, looking for someone to be. Nigga, I come from the streets, and now I'm in a hotel trying to double the tree. You can get up in the game cause it's fair now. Give a fuck about opinions, I don't care now. Young niggas keep the metal with them like it's Care Town. Niggas lose their life cause they couldn't win a stare down. Nigga, back in days I was watching anime, I ain't wear now. See at the table and I'm pulling up my chair now. Sitting at the throne on the top of my own shit. Why you niggas rocking student loan drip? We got me stoned in the crib on my loan shit. Might stuff a cold while I'm talking on the phone shit. If I really wanted
We're gonna do artist album. Album year, release, year, and this doesn't, month, day, year, and issue here is he got I'll keep it. Oh wait, no, this gotta be. Where's my? true. Alright. But now, so on the real database here, select distinct album from songs. $42.9. Wait a second. Did it? Okay, but it selected. Could I do, like, it says select distinct album, but then I want year and artist. How's this gonna work? Hold on. Where album does not equal single. Okay, so I think because of this, there's gonna be some issues. But with the way that I have the all albums set up, we are gonna need artist, album, and month. So I think the way to do this is this. So then how do I insert this? No rows selected. I want them all selected though. Alright, hold on. I gotta look this up. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I don't give a shit. Oh, wait. so confused. Query result operations. Hey, careful what you're showing.
We don't fuck around. You ain't had enough of us. All these niggas looking down because they already know what's up. Ignore responsibility. Really, I don't give a
Okay, oh, it did work. Okay.
money. Mama say I'm fucking up. Gotta be
It did work. So,
accomplishment. See niggas still hating. Someone call a gynecologist. Spots only occupant. Shot by your incompetence. You won't know what hit you. Every bullet is anonymous. You mad 'cause I'm confident. Maybe
what I can do,
the way the end result exhibits me displaying dominance. I try to keep it positive. It's hard to be an
I know what I can do. I can do this. On here, on here, what I can do here is actually so it's gonna go. This is gonna go album, year, artist, like that, and then save. Drop these. Import. Oh wait, no. Hold on. I thought. Alright, there's a lot of things wrong with this. So, if you see all this white here, it's because of these quotations here. And it doesn't make sense because it should have picked it up. Now let me try this again. Oh wait, I backed it up earlier, I believe. Chauffeur, where you been at? This should be quick. Oh, it was quick. Why did it? What? Bro, I told it not to do that. I thought it. Should just. Hmm. 3129. Okay, this is correct. I really thought I fixed all of this to be like this. Okay, so I think all albums needs to be updated. Yeah, because there's 100, there's 129, so just what? Oh wait, it's. Okay. Now let's try to insert this again. Okay. Try this again. multiple primary key. Find 4365. Alright, and then that doesn't matter here. Select distinct album, artist, year from songs where album does not equal single. Four, 4365. Nice. Now, what we want to then do is see why I was able to do capital letters here. How come? Because artist, album. Oh wait. I'm a king up in my city. Alright, then what we want to then do is this. What we want to then do is export this. Let me just import this. And I don't think it's gonna matter so much, but because I'm pretty sure yeah, my local PHP version is different than this database one. like mega banet. Duplicate primary key defined. Alright, well, it doesn't matter. So locally I have it. Alright. Now, close this for now. This is closed. So, now all we need to do is we want to then get a query running. I'm gonna do something like this and put it